guys, what's up? Sorry it's been such a long time since the last video. We've been having some major trouble with the Mustang, but I'm happy to say it is completely done now. Here's just a brief walk around on the car. As you can see, we went with like a burnt orangish color on the wrap. We have our American Racing rims, 5-spoke. And then coming to the engine, nothing was done, just a tune-up and everything. Here's a nice front angle of the car. But then as you can see on the mirrors, we did a matte black finish, as well as the hood scoops on it, matte black. So pretty much besides that, only other thing we added was a rear wing to it, standard 71 wing. And then as far as the interior goes, it's completely finished. Like you guys saw in the other videos, I just threw in the mats, but like you guys saw, it's all new carpeting. So the mats are a little bit dirty, but they are original. So there's everything on the interior. I think it looks great. Car runs great. And honestly, I'm just excited for the next project. So I'm going to throw a quick edit together of the build, and I will see you guys in the next video. Be ready for a crazy build because we've got something great in store.
You stole my heart of gold.